Thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, you will see a collab between me and my bestie, J.NicoleCustoms. Based on my first video of my bald cap method. This is going to be the bald cap method plus the wig install. So thank you so much for everybody who's tuned in. Nikki, come on, show everybody. J.NicoleCustoms, my lovely model, my best friend. Yes, this is the wig that you will see in the video. This girl, please subscribe. J.NicoleCustoms, like, follow, share, follow her. This girl puts everything into her work. Sweat, dedication, tears, blood, sweat, tears, everything. I aspire to be like her, so please stay tuned for this video. In this video, you will see the bald cap method plus the wig install.
And y'all, we really have to, we actually gonna update this wig, because
I don't know how she be sweating her wigs out. Granted, she is married, but whatever. But more practice for me. I love it. So please DM me, call me, everything. Message me on Instagram if you want your. This is a wig. I switch my wig every day. I had an orange wig on yesterday.
But do y'all see how good this look? Like, even messy, it still looks like.
And she keeps saying messy. You can't even tell that wig is hanging on by a thread. Mickey, please show them the side. Wig is hanging on. Granted, it's been about a week, whatever. But she worked hard. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're at the suite right now. We're deep cleaning. We work hard, but we play harder. But we do be playing harder. We're about 5 or 6 drinks in, but granted, as hard as she works, she deserves it. So, like, I quit my whole job to do this. Like, yes, I'm doing it.
2021. Do what you want to do.
Do what you want to do. We're in a whole panoramic. Do what you want to do.
Do what you want to do. Be good at it. Be consistent. Manifest that shit, but do the work too. Do the work, and that shit gonna come to you. Period.
You gotta spend money to make money, and I used to hear that all the time, and I used to be like, oh, whatever. No, you gotta spend money to make money, and that's fine. That's fine. Do that. Look at our makeup looks. We swore up and down. Let's just do something cute. Why do I have? But
full face.
But that's what you have to do. Wake up and do it.
Show up. Wake up and show up.
Please. Buy her merch. J.Nicole merch. I'm rocking the merch right now. We have hair oils. We have shirts. We have scarves.
Baby.
A scarf.
One-stop shop.
Baby, one-stop shop. Beauty by Burnham merch coming soon. I'm coming for you. Stepping on next.
She next.
All 2021. So please like, follow, and share, and stay tuned for more content. Yay! Look at that. This done gave me a bald cap. This is the wig connoisseur. I'm trying to be. This is the wig connoisseur. My first lace front. I cannot believe this is happening. But now I can tell my clients I did it. And I can really give like an honest, non-biased review on it. Because people will ask me questions about like lace fronts, and I'm like, I just can't see doing all that work. Granted, it is a lot. I mean, I guess it's not that much, but no, this is a lot of work. But I think it's just the maintenance of it.
So I'll get a chance to see how that goes this weekend.
Blow dryer.
Blow dryer? How many layers is that?
That was 2.
2? I think I want to do 4.
Okay.
I'm going based off people what you said.
You don't want it to dry completely, but you also don't want it to, you want it to kind of turn white. So the white.
Yeah, clear?
Clear, yeah. You don't want it to turn white. Yeah, like how it is on that side. It's dry, but you want it to still be tacky. Take it off. You want to saturate the hairline thoroughly in alcohol, and it'll come right up. Like just the way it's tacky, like this, so quick.
For $30.
And like, look at how little you need. You get what I'm saying? So that should last you a while. I think this is pretty much like Ghost Bond. I don't understand what the difference is now that I'm looking at them. Alright. This should be good.
Don't pull on that, baby. Y'all, look at that. I'm not mad.
spray them. I got to be sprayed off.
Your Beauty by Burnham and J.NicoleCustoms collab.
Stop playing with me.
Thank you.
Done. This is nothing but scalp. Absolutely in love. This was her first closure. Don't mind my edges. I kind of got to play around with them. I ain't never had this many edges to work with before. As you can see, this side is kind of bare versus this side. But this is so cute. I'm so happy how it turned out. I gotta still press the roots so it'll lay a little flatter, and then that's it. But this was so like easy. Sorry for all the shit I was talking to people about lace fronts, because wow, I'm one of y'all now. I like this. I like it. I think I'll always do my curly hair as a lace front. I really will. I like this. Shout out to my